I've made this vape for about $15 and I wanted to share it with you. Let me show you how it works. You just flip the switch and you can see the voltage on the battery, and when you push the button it starts to produce vapor. So how does it look like from inside? It's really simple. Just have the battery, the 510 connector, button, switch, display and battery protection. First take the 510 connector and unscrew the bottom part. Hold the connector in one hand and push the wire through the hole. Now just solder the wire to the connector. Screw the part back to the connector. Solder wires to the protection and then solder protection to the battery holder. Solder all the components according to this scheme. Now you want to cover everything with hot glue to make sure it doesn't move. When you have covered everything, just insert the battery, screw in the atomizer, and slide in the cover. And it works. Now you can vape all day.